Restoration is in a really unique space in the home services industry overall, in that 100% of our jobs are need-based.
Hi, I'm Amanda Evans. I'm the Senior Vice President of Marketing at Stellar Service Brands. The Restoration One brand has evolved in so many ways over the last few years. It's been so exciting. This brand has so many things that really differentiate it in the market.
What makes Restoration One franchisees different on a day-to-day basis is the relationships that they build. It's a franchise-based system, but we're building a relationship with clients on a daily basis. The support structure of what we have for our franchisees has come a long way since I came on. We've been able to build a great team, great knowledge in restoration.
The top reason that entrepreneurs should invest at Restoration One: first, the home services industry is growing in a lucrative environment when compared to other opportunities in other industries. Next, restoration isn't going anywhere. This is an essential service that is non-discretionary for homeowners and business owners to do this work and the service that we provide. We really, really believe in the idea of independence. We are the nation's largest independent restoration company, and that sets a difference, because as we think about really coming back to our mission of being there for our community, of being allies to everyone in the process, being people, and really caring about doing the work the right way, our positioning allows our owners to operate in that way and not just talk the talk, but be able to walk the walk behind what that means in their own business.